Hold on, didn't A say some shit about that in his thumbnail? Nigga look like Jeepers Creepers. You know that nigga be on it. I used to be on that here. Look at that chain though. Bro, icy ass Jeepers Creepers. Shout out Ace. What's up? Go play. It sound like, oh, real quick, so I'll have to say it later. It sound like bruh doing like a lot more like of his like Louisiana style. You know what I'm saying? Like it seemed like this album might be more of that like back to his roots type shit. We gonna see though. If so, I'm fucking with it tough.
Check this. Bitch say a nigga gon' respect this. She say, I see that you barely sleep, and I ain't on you. Be up protecting me. Oh, this ain't no return or no Machiavelli. It's Goldie, bitch. I'ma tell ya, I'ma make.
God damn. That bitch head. God damn. That's another thing too. I need a cause like YoungBoy with these videos, he be having some visuals, you know what I'm saying? Some shit going on. So it's like, bro, I kinda need to pay more attention. Cause you know I just be focused on the music. But
ain't on you. Be up protecting me. Oh, this ain't no return or no Machiavelli. This Goldie bitch, I'ma tell ya, I'ma make for life. I fuck over shit. If I'ma do it, then I'ma do it right. On some soldier shit. All black jean, night shirt on my face when I walk down the photo beat. Nigga, I tell you, my mama first one put a bandana around my head. You niggas some hoes and pussy and can come around where I was raised at. Men through was burglarizing as a child, that's how we played that. We ain't no friends after the end, we breaking in they play shit. I'm with that shit, they all fake. Go ask my mom, my own place. I shot that boy that same day. Monique clean blood from off my J. Won't be for me, best as some K. Bro, straining straight across your face. I pop these pills, they in my pain. This is so real that I'm insane. She say, I see that you barely sleep, and I ain't on you. Be up protecting me, and it's okay. Cause I got guards inside the backyard and the front yard, cause they play. But you gon' die inside of this joy, we gon' drag you till you great. Hustle wrist bracelet on my leg, but bitch, I still got me a K. When it go down, I'm gon' run down right where it's heat inside this place. And spray around and all you bitch niggas. No, you can't kill me, I got my chin inside this bitch.
on the cross getting it too. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Wrist bracelet on my leg, but bitch, I still got me a K. When it go down, I'm gon' run down right where it's heat inside this place. And spray around and all you bitch niggas. No, you can't kill me, I got my chin inside this bitch with me. I'm too official, I put my life in hands inside secure. They just my cover up, just for the time I fucking kill, bitch. I heard the streets watching big nights and great. Hustle wrist bracelet on my leg, but bitch, I still got me a K. When it go down, I'm gon' run down right where it's heat inside this place. And spray around and all you bitch niggas. No, you can't kill me, I got my chin inside this bitch with me. I'm too official, I put my life in hands inside secure. They just my cover up, just for the time I fucking kill, bitch. I heard the streets watching big nights in my pockets. Fuck with me, bitch, I put this bag on top of anybody. I heard the feds watching, think they got me, but can't stop me. Put them pills inside my body, moving with my groovy daddy. This shit fucked up. That my girl and her family ain't got no love. Hold on, this shit fucked up. This ain't about her, that's my family. My own family ain't got no love. Man, I'm fucked up. Fuck all these bitches.
I'm fucked up. Come on, YB.
Her family ain't got no love.
This shit fucked up.
This shit fucked up. That my girl and her family ain't got no love. Hold on, this shit fucked up. This ain't about her, that's my family. My own family ain't got no love. Man, I'm fucked up. Fuck all these bitches. Fuck all these hoes. I say I am a rich nigga. I am so gone. I say I know your love face, so please leave me alone. I say I will have your back, so you leave from wrong. I say I see that you barely sleep.
That shit, one thing, another thing about YoungBoy too, every time, damn nut, bro be passionate about this, but you know what I'm saying, about his shit. Like, I guess that's why bro still like here today at where he at type shit. Like, cause like bro, like you can tell with like his music and shit like that, and just his art, bro, real passionate. Like, he put a lot of passion in there. Damn, I'm fucking up what I'm trying to say. But yeah, he put it's like a lot of passion with it, you know what I'm saying? How he expressed himself and stuff like that through his art.
See that you barely sleep, and I know you be up protecting me. Oh, this ain't no return or no Machiavelli. This Goldie bitch, now I'ma tell ya, I'ma make for life. I fuck over shit. If I'ma do it, then I'ma do it. This Goldie bitch, now I'ma tell ya, I'ma make for life. I fuck over shit. If I'ma do it, then I'ma do it right. On some soldier shit. All black jean, I shirt on my face when I walk down the photo, bitch. Goldie, bitch.
Someone got to tell me what that video mean. But yeah, the song was hard. But yeah, like I was trying to say, just pretty much how he expressed himself through his art is in such a passionate way to where it like kind of grab you type shit. You get what I'm saying? And that shit hit.
That bitch is too, she chanceless. She wanna fuck a rock star, I'm Marilyn Manson. Yeah. I still be ducking the cop cars, getting these bags in. Get out the way when them guns drawn, collateral damage. My young nigga ain't climbing no roof, but he got a ladder. Yeah, 30. I got a twin and bought for the 6, but it ain't the Raptors. That's my nigga. I put him.
I don't think that it kicked in yet. I go for it. Oh, I see you ballin' my soldier.
Oh yeah.
I told you stay out the way, my nigga. It'll happen someday. I told ya, my baba. I'ma pull a line for you tonight, my nigga. Oh yeah. Invite my nigga, oh yeah. I'ma send a kite to heaven and invite my niggas, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've been getting I've been losing my cool. I don't know what to do. I need my bank, I need my chance. It'll turn out bad if you think that I won't slay this motherfucker. I grew up hard, so no, I play games with his egg, if it's a no. I done drove inside that Porsche and little riding like a surfboard. Right around in that road, young nigga get one if you're right for it. Partying with these hoes, like you holy need to go to church for it. One inside the hole, I ain't had to use no club. She blood on me, she's just another scamming of me. I'm that nigga that man, yeah. Saucy, the streets they been calling. I can't get them off me. Got a Draco, don't cross me. My life so exhausting, but I'm caught up with ballin'. And she love me, and I know who.
I was about to say, who that, B-Way? Right back a little bit. Start getting
Saucy, the streets they been calling. I can't get them off me. Got a Draco, don't cross me. My life so exhausting, but I'm caught up with ballin'. And she love me, and I know her for motion. This shit might get gangsta by the microphone. Young nigga might pop out your bushes bottle. Let's do it. This shit might get gangsta for the moon go down. Let's do it. I'm gonna pop up on your crew, my goblins.
Hey, they got me lit now. Hold on. No. I'm gonna have to run that shit back again. That part started getting lit. Hold on. When he started, it was really around this part when he started doing. Hold on. Let me get to it.
Oh, like you holy need to go to church for it. Get one if you're
She's just another scam enemy. Slime ball. I'm that nigga, man, yeah. Saucy, if she stay me calling, I can't get them off me. Gotta say, go, don't cross me. My life so exhausting.
Gotta go, don't cross me.
And she love me, and I love her so much. This is my gangster by the microphone. Young nigga might pop out your bushes bottle. Let's do it. This shit my gangster for the moon go down. Let's do it. I'm gon' pop up on your crew, my goblins.
Okay,
This
yeah.
time, I'm gon' pop outside your crib, them goblins. Six, then D-Way. How about with them sticks, they hit no stopping. I been running shit that make me lose my mind, baby. Lose my time, baby. I got lots of money, you don't want me, can I eat it for your time, baby? I pay you now. She blood on examining. She's just another scam enemy.
That nigga rocking the fuck out. What kind of boots them is? Cause I'm not gonna lie, bro. Kind of like, the more I see him, the more I'm like, man, bro, kind of rocking them hoes. Like, I ain't gonna lie with the pink, how he put that bitch together. I ain't gonna lie, that shit kind of hard.
I pay you now. She blood on examining. She's just another scam enemy. Slime ball. I'm that nigga, let me man, yeah. This is my gangster by the microphone. Young nigga might pop out your bushes bottle. Let's do it. This shit my gangster for the moon go down. Let's do it. I'm gon' pop up on your crew, my goblins.
Yeah. Yeah, this shit hard. That's his youngest. Damn, I forgot what number bro on. I remember when bro was at 2. Yeah, he probably at like 12.